have you been? I'm here today because I want to show you something. Let me show you. Hang on. Look at this, you guys. See this? You see it? Ooh, we received a package today. Wonder what this is. Okay, so let's rip this sucker open. Okay, I am going to open this up. We're going to see what is inside. And then I'm going to charge it on my EcoFlow and see how long it takes to charge it fully. Okay, let's see. Tatoes is my assistant here today. Hello, Tatoes. Hello. The sucker itself. Nice, and there's another little filter inside here. The lighting isn't that great in here, but it was worse in LaGREENga, so I decided to do the unboxing part in here. SAKER. Sucker. SAKER. Sucker. Not sure. Okay, this is where you connect the USB cable. Okay, let's do that right now. And Tables is over there playing while we do this. Alright. Turn on my EcoFlow here. Plug it into one of the USB ports. It's charging. It's taking out 0.6 watts. I don't know how you even say that, but it's 0006. Y'all can see it right there. And right now, it is, let me see what time it is. It is 4:41 p.m. So we'll see how long it takes to charge fully. I got Potatoes right there playing with the box. He will give us a full review on how this box turns out, if he fits or if he doesn't. He fits. He fits. Now he's just trying to figure out how to lay down. Okay, it has fully charged. See, it has turned green. That means it is fully charged. It only took, it started out at 89%, and it's now 86. So that's not bad. It took, let me see, it was 441. It's 741. This is a little 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner. The company is called, I want to botch this up. SAKER? We'll make it a SAKER because it's a little sucker. It's a little sucker. And it's going to suck up the dirt, right? Yeah, I like that one better. Okay. We're going to go with that. It's a SAKER. S-A-K-E-R. Okay. The company reached out to me, so I guess you could say this is sponsored. But they sent this to me to review it. And I've had it for 2 weeks now, and they said to give it 2 weeks try, and I've been trying it out, and it works great. Works great. But I didn't try it in my van because I wanted to do that for the video. And since LaGREENga is a big mess right now, I wanted to do it before I cleaned it up. I'm about to show you the mess that she's in right now. Hang on, let me turn the camera around. Okay, you see? See this big old mess? See the big old mess? As y'all know, I've been, trying to do some different things here in LaGREENga, change her up a little bit. And I haven't finished, so that's why there's no big reveal or anything yet, because I'm not done. But anyway, you can see the big old mess. Stuff all over the floor. Look at that stuff down on the floor. And you get these little nook and crannies, and it's hard to get things clean. You know, you can't, if you use this broom right here, you know, you get dust flying all in the air. So, you see all that stuff down there? See all that stuff down there? All that little stuff. Well, you know, I'm gonna have to try to use, there's my bolt to my chair. Anyway, see all this stuff? See all that mess? See all that mess? Well, I can actually feel it too. Oh, and there's hair. Anyway, this little sucker right here is going to be great here in LaGREENga, or in anybody's van, car, you know, whatever, even in your home in small spaces. So yeah, even in your home in small spaces, up in the, what do you call that area? The cab area, you know, where you got the driver's seat and the passenger seat and you drive, that area, by the dash and everything, down by the refrigerator legs, down by the kitchenette, you know, where you spill little things like the rice that's on the floor, and hair, just any dust when you're coming in and out of your van, and you know, you get dust and dirt everywhere. You get it everywhere. So we're going to review this right now. Let me see. Let me get this down here a little closer. There, I just lowered you down a little bit. Let's open this up. See if I can do this without dropping anything. First off, you get the little instructional manual. And I believe I saw that it was in different languages, English and German. It comes with this handy dandy little bag with a little drawstring to tighten it up. So when you're done with everything, you can put it in here and store it away. Or you can use the box, you know, whatever, it's your preference. But I think I like this idea better. There's that. Now, got a bunch of little accessories. The wide one, the biggest one, this is the biggest one for the sucker. This, I believe, is an adapter. We got the narrow one with a little brush on it. I don't know if you can see that. It has a little brush on it. See that? That goes on the end of the little sucker. And I think this is another little, look at this one, how cute. How cute is that? That's for really small areas. I don't know if that's blurry. So there's that. And it comes with these little, this makes it longer for hard to reach areas, and you put one of those adapters on the, this is the adapter, I guess you call it, and those are the little accessories. So you can use it like this, or you can put the little, you put it on there now. You can put one of these on there. Oops, I dropped one. Told you I was going to drop some stuff. So there you go. You can put the little brush on it. There you go. Let's leave that there. Let's leave that there. And then the other little thing that I dropped, let me pick it up. This right here, you put on the back of it. So if you're going to blow something. Hey, this also, I think it said that it also inflates. So here's the little sucker itself. Let's take a look. Oh, it comes with a charger too. Quite a long cord. Not so bad, not so bad, not so bad. All right, let me put this over here on top of the microwave. So this is what it looks like. Oh, I didn't show you the extra little filter. This is like the metal filter, this one. And this is the little, the soft filter. So it's got a button here, you see, right there. And what you do is, let me put this on here first. Let me do it in front of you. just like that. You put it on so it looks like, wow, and that look cool. Look at this little sucker. So you hold the button, you hold it. Ooh, you hear that? You hear that? Yeah, okay. All right. And then, oh, that makes it faster. Oh, yeah, that's even harder suction. More suction. Hey, you got some dry dead skin. Why not? Why not? Hold it, and you turn it off. So now let me turn this around and show you the little sucker in action. Okay? Hang on. Okay, I hope there's enough light so y'all can see all that mess down here. All right, let's get this thing going. Can y'all see that? It's picking up the hair. That's my hair, by the way. That's my hair. My hair, yes. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that. And I probably don't need this brush in this area, but okay, I took off the brush and I want to try it without the brush. So let's see. Let's see what this little thing does without the brush. Let me turn it on. Okay, here we go. I'm going to put this in the guys. Oh, y'all, look at that. Look at my rug. Y'all see that? Y'all see it looking at my rug? Okay, okay. Not right. This is a scrape on my floor. If I had a little brush on it, it would seem wet over there. Really good. Look. Look at the little nooks and crannies on my floor here. In the corners. It's off. Okay, did y'all see that moving around in there? Let me see if I can get this light on that. Oh, I get a glare. But can y'all see all that in there? Can you see? Look at that. Look at that. Oh, oh my. Look at the filter. Okay, you twist this. You pull it off. Oh, okay. All right. You guys, look at that. Did you think it was picking up all of that? I didn't. I mean, I've tried this out already, but I didn't actually try it with hair. Look at that. It picked up my, I'm just throwing it back on my rug. But look at that. Look at that. Oh my. This is amazing. This little sucker really sucks it up. Look. Can y'all see down in there? Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, I'm going to dump it back on the floor, on the rug here. So you can see the hair that it picked up, the rice, the little pieces of like dried mud and dirt, and of course what is in the filter. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So what do y'all think? I'm loving it. I'm loving this thing. Here it is. See that on the end? Where's the camera? Where's the camera? Right there. And this is the back. This is where you put this. Let's see where that goes. Let me figure. Okay, there it is. And you tighten it up. There's the blow hose. You know what? This is perfect for little areas that you can't really reach and even get to this into. Blow it out to where you can reach it so you can suck it up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let me turn it back on. Hang on. Turn on higher. There it goes. Watch. Woo-hoo! Oh my goodness. This is perfect for a hot day. In the summer. Who knew? Who knew? Love it. You guys, this is awesome. Isn't that cool? Pretty cool. The little sucker is also a blower. You be the judge. You saw it right here in LaGREENga. Crystal showed you what this little sucker can do. Let me put the filter back in there. You drop it in. Just drop it right back into place after you cleaned out. I dumped it back on my floor because I want to do that again. Put this back on and twist it, and it's back on. You can use it like this. You can use it with the extender. You can use it with this piece on the end. See, you have the wide brush. You have bigger areas. You want to do like I have my big rug? You know, you can, this is going to go quicker that way. And then the other smaller pieces and the other filter and the other extenders. Wow. But I used it in that amount of time. I started 20 minutes ago, off and on. But you saw the suction that it has when it's on high. It was picking up my rug. That's awesome for this little sucker. That's awesome. Hello. Nice and handy. I mean, look at this. You know, it all goes into this little bag. Van lifers, car lifers. Hello, this is perfect. Drop everything in. Drop everything in the bag. Extra filter, charger, everything, including instructions, because, you know, I always need instructions. It's all in there, and it's ready to be stored away. How neat is that? So the company, once again, is SAKER. SAKER. 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner. Multifunction, strong suction power, which you saw. Abundant accessories. Yes, it does. It has abundant of accessories. I love it. Excited because I needed one of these. The company sent me an email, reached out to me, and asked me to do a review. And I said, sure, why not? I'd love to do a review. I did the review, and I'm loving it. And y'all we got to try this together because I hadn't tried that until now. So I'm going to leave a link in the description and probably in the comments too, so you can check it out yourself. I'm not an affiliate with Amazon or anything like that, but I'm going to leave you the link to the company for this little sucker, okay? All right, you guys, remember, like I always say, you are wonderfully and awesomely made. God made you that way. Don't let anybody tell you any different. Be loved, accept the love, and share that love, you guys. Until next time, God bless. Suck it up.